from all things at once without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to.
Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new to Cora's Cozy Castle. In today's video, I will be deep cleaning my oldest son Britton's bedroom and his bathroom. His room and bathroom are located on the second story of our house, along with a bonus room, which I ran out of time. I did not get to go in there. That's the room I have been working on, so I want to show that to you guys. Britton's room actually has kind of had a little bit of a smaller makeover. We painted it. We took out some furniture, so it looks a little bit different if you guys have been here for a while and watched some of my videos cleaning up here. But I really needed to just get in and dust this space. And I'm sorry some of the angles are not. I didn't get the camera in very good spaces. You also are going to see my collie, Bentley. He just did not want to leave the space today. He just wanted to be right there with me. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. And enjoy the cleaning motivation.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Some of the stuff I find when I come up here to clean Britton's room, I opened the closet door and I was like, why is all the candy on the floor and the bag is outside laying on the floor? And when I asked him, Britton was like, well, that was all the bad candy. And I was like, well, next time, let's just bring it downstairs instead of dumping it out in the closet. Although that door's always closed, so Bentley was not going to get into it or anything. But I just laugh sometimes when I just find random items or things like that he does. So I'm sure some of you parents out there can definitely relate to that.
Nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you.
If you guys are new here, I wanted to introduce myself. My name is Kristen. I'm a wife, a mama to 3 boys, a homemaker, and we live outside of the Atlanta, Georgia area. Here on my channel, you'll find cleaning, decluttering, organizing, how I use minimalism, and just keeping things clutter-free to manage my anxiety. I also suffer with OCD, and I would love for you guys to join me if any of those things interest you. I have a major passion for Pottery Barn.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time.
Oh, I had to show my little baby some love. He is so funny. I started this clip out by taking the pillowcases off, and then I was just throwing them over the stairs, and then it was just taking me too long to walk back and forth. So I started accumulating everything here, but he literally just did not want to move. He just wanted to be on the bed. So it was just hilarious.
Yeah, I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Oh, the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him, nah, 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 nah. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
I love using this Lysol spray to spray down the beds and the pillows. My grandmother, I remember watching her do this since I was a little girl, and I just love how fresh it makes the room. I like to turn the fan on or open a window just to kind of dry it off, and so the smell is not so strong. But I absolutely love this. And yes, I made sure that all of my puppies were out of the room while I was doing this, and I closed the door when I was through so that it could dry off and just kind of get less, I guess, strong in the room. So moving on, I'm getting into the bathroom now. I don't know what happened with those lights. It's like the light bulbs kind of came unscrewed. I don't know. It was weird. So I just want to kind of get everything as deep cleaned in here as possible. This is a teenage boy's bathroom, so I want to get it nice and shiny.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter.
I'm not really sure what happened with some of my footage, but I thought that I was filming myself removing the shower curtain liner and the curtain itself, and also spraying down the tub and cleaning the back window, but I guess I didn't hit record. So when I came back to edit the video, that footage was not there. So when you guys see me go into the tub, it looks like really dirty. It's because I sprayed the tub and then stood inside the tub to wash the window and got some of the dirt from when I shook off the floor mat. So that's why the tub looks like that. I just felt like I needed to let you guys know because I don't know what I did wrong. I thought I hit record. So there's a couple things I did that did not make it to camera. So you guys are definitely going to see there's going to be like a little bit of a, I guess, blank there. So anyway, I hope you guys are really enjoying today's video. If you are, definitely like and give me a big thumbs up.
Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
I did decide to go and respray the shower with the Scrub and Bubbles because the grout just really kind of had a yellow tint to it. So that's why you're seeing me kind of spray it again. I had already sprayed the tub down one time, but that Scrub and Bubbles is just a little more heavy duty. And for spaces like this, especially when I don't get to them as often as I would like, it really helps. And it didn't come off on camera. I could not get it to show that well, but it definitely made a difference in the grout, and that took away that yellow tint.
Feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with these humble.
I also lost the footage of putting the toilet bowl cleaner in, but it does have Clorox toilet bowl cleaner in there. But I also like to clean the toilet with toilet paper and just throw it away. I used to use rags or the microfiber cloths. I felt like it just moved the dust all around, and I also just did not really like washing those after I used them to clean the toilet. So I like to just use the toilet paper and just flush it. It just seems easy. It collects all of the dust and just goes a lot quicker for me. So that's what I'm doing here. Britton's toilet was definitely, I had waited a little bit too long, so it was taking me a little bit longer to clean it, but it was nice and shiny when I got done with it. And again, to me, it's like changing a dirty diaper. So I did not show myself washing my hands, but I definitely did that after I was done.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feel
All right,
it.
so you guys can see this is a workout for me. I am sweating. It is hot up here. The heat turned on, so I think that was part of it. But I'm not going to show like a total finished product in this video because my oldest son, who lives in this room and has that bathroom, is almost 14. So he will be putting his own sheets on the bed, and he'll be hanging up his shower curtain and putting the rug back in after I clean it. And there's Bentley back on the bed. So all the Lysol smell is gone. I've turned the fan on and all that, so he's good now. But anyway, I hope that you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video from me. I've got a lot more Christmas content coming up. Hope you guys are well. Have a blessed day. Much love always. Bye.
Love you. I put your favorite song on just to wait.